guys, and good afternoon. And what is up with San Diego and this weather? You know, it's hot. It's freaking hot out here, guys. And you know, it's like we're not used to this, you know, 95-degree weather. It's never like that. But today's video is the video you guys have all been waiting for. And I've been waiting for this video too. Yes, you guys see it. Here it is. We are finally going to tow with the new gears. And you know, hopefully she does good, tows good, and impresses me. And also, you guys ask me, you know, when I make these videos about fuel mileage and stuff, guys, I don't know, you know, fuel mileage on these things. I can give you an average, but you know, you guys leave comments like, oh, well, that's whatever, stupid because it wastes fuel. Guys, I didn't buy this truck to do anything with fuel mileage. It says this truck, even if it gets me 5 miles to the gallon, I don't care. This truck is not made to get me good fuel mileage. I did not put 37-inch mutters so I can get good gas mileage. So that you guys keep asking me or telling me or why I shouldn't do this because of fuel, you know, I don't know how to put it in a nice way. I don't care. You know, if you guys worry or are worried about fuel, we'll buy a Prius. You know, I mean, I don't know what to tell you, but this Duramax is not made to get fuel mileage. It's made to pull my toy hauler and, you know, get me places where I need to pull anything. All right, let's hook her up and see how she does. See how much this hitch moves right here. Okay, so it looked like she moved 1/2 over. All right, we got it hooked up. Now let's, what do we got, 5? So let's pump these up. We'll go 60. Give us a nice smooth kosher ride here. And there she goes, just like that. It's that easy. And I will do a video for you guys on my airbags. I know you've been asking me a lot of questions about it. I'll do a video of pretty much the brand, model number, and you know, the pros and cons to it. I don't know if I know of any really cons. I mean, they've been working great for me so far, but I will do a video for you guys, a full review, and also how easy it is to install these things. All right, we're in here, got everything, got our sippy cup, good to go. Now, a lot of you guys told me on that Ford, I'd never put it in tow haul mode. I did put it in tow haul mode, but the problem I noticed with the Ford is as soon as you go into the manual mode, it pulls it out of tow haul mode. So I'm not really sure why it does that. I know with the Duramax, even if I go into manual mode, it will still stay in the tow haul mode. So we're in tow haul mode. You guys can see right there. Let's turn the exhaust brake on. Exhaust brake is on, and let's go. Another thing is I'm curious to see if I let go of the brake, if this truck moves at all, go forward like we did with all the other ones. All right, foot's off the brake. Okay, so we're rolling. She's pulling it. Make sure, just I want to confirm that we are in, hold on, let me hit the brake, we're rolling here. Make sure we are in the tow mode. All right, that's tow mode. Let go of the brake. And she's moving this trailer, okay. Well, I mean, I don't know if that means anything, but she's rolling without having to give any gas. So let's, well, let's get further to it. Okay, I have just reset my trip B because I am going by the braking process of this book. So we cannot, I guess it's got to go very short distances, and we have to drive less than 15 miles. So I guess we got to drive less than 15 miles, and then it's got to let the differential cool for about 20 minutes. Okay, so I guess this is going to be a short and quick one over here. 15 miles, that's not too bad. I guess we'll hit the freeway, go up the hill, and come back down, and we'll check our mileage. I have reset it right there, so you guys will see also the mileage. But as of right now, I am liking it so far. It has, I mean, pretty much the response. Like I said, the throttle, when I'm hitting the throttle, it's there. Like the truck's moving already. Not before when I had, you know, the regular gears, the truck, you know, would move, but you would have to give a little more gas. You knew something was there, and you knew that, you know, you had some big tires on this thing. Now, if you guys remember when I used to tow this trailer, it would tow the trailer in 4th gear. I would have to manually shift into 4th gear. It would tow it, but I'd have to pretty much get on the throttle a little bit, and it pulled it fine at about, I think I was at 2,700 RPM. So what I want to see is if this truck, when it is in 4th gear going up the hill, if it will actually pull it in 5th gear. I know that Dodge, that dually that I towed with the 3,500, yes, I know it's got the stock tires and all that. It's not a fair comparison, but don't worry, I am going to get another Dodge and compare it to 2,500 on 37s. But that thing pulled my trailer up the hill in 5th and 6th gear like there was nothing back there. It just continued to pull and pull and pull. So guys, moment of truth. Truck is currently in 2nd gear with the torque converter locked. Let's see what she's got. Okay, foot is oh, now it unlocked and locked. Okay, foot is about, I'd say, halfway into it. Still climbing. Foot is about 75 to 80% in it. EGTs are at 13 and a half, a little less. Oh, okay, we're in 5th now. So this thing never used to shift into 5th coming up here. Now 5th gear, it's got a little bit, not a lot. My foot is pretty much all the way in it right now. EGTs are 13, 65, almost 14. About 50 miles an hour. All right, let's see. Now the ground is getting flat here. There's another bigger hill up here. We'll climb that and see what it does. So far, I'm happy with it, though. It never used to go into 5th. It barely made that hill, usually in 4th. I would have to climb that hill in 3rd. Then once I get the momentum going, then I can shift into 4th. I don't know if you guys can see here. This is where fire was going on, right here by my house. And it's all burnt, that whole mountain and everything up there. But a little update. This thing is just booking it. I mean, hauling ass at, in 5th gear, 65. And when I accelerate, I mean, it's right there, no problem. So, well, let's see what happens on this hill. All right, this thing is pulling amazing. Pretty much what would happen is with this truck, pulling these little, it's not a steep hill, but pulling this little hill, I would have to be in 4th gear because when I would put it in 5th gear, it would not make it. I wouldn't be able to do almost 70 miles an hour. And mind yourself, my foot's probably 50-60% the throttle right now. Maybe a little more. It's probably 70% the throttle right now. But I can never climb this hill in 5th gear, ever. All right, here we go, guys. This is in 5th gear. We're coming up the grade. Let's see if, oh, what the heck? That thing just, what happened there? I guess the elevation changed. Here it is, the moment of truth. We're pulling up this hill. My foot is about 70% in the throttle. EGTs are almost 1,400. We're doing 65 right now. Well, let's see, the old Duramax can do it. Still climbing, still climbing. She's still doing good in 5th gear. 20, a little more than 2,000 RPMs. 65 miles an hour right now. She's still going. Still going. She's still pulling. We're coming up still. Oh, that's a nice Hellcat. Passing Descanso right now. If anybody knows where this is, you know this hill. Well, I must say, I am very impressed with her. I'm gonna have to give it to the GMC on this compared to the Ford. Now, compared to the dually 3500 Dodge, I'm gonna have to give it to that as of right now, but we have not compared to 2500 Dodge on 37s yet. So, as of right now, I'm very happy with this GMC. We are still doing a little over 60 at just under 2,000 RPMs. She's still must say, she did a amazing job. I am very impressed. I'm very, very happy with the gears. Also, mind yourself, guys, when we are towing this thing, it's usually in the winter time. It's not 92 degrees outside. So I'm happy for old girl. Temperatures are still good. Tranny temp is 186. Whoa, there's a highway patrol. That's not good. Wow. Well, thank you for not pulling me over, sir, for my tinted windows and doing 70 miles an hour. That was a close call there, guys. But where was I? Like I was saying, everything is good. Temperature's good. Tranny temp is 186. EGTs, I think the hottest they got was 14, I believe. So as of right now, I'm gonna have to give the win compared to the GM and the Ford to the GM. Now, of course, there's multiple people going to disagree with me, and people are going to agree with me. Just my personal opinion, when I drove that Ford in 5th gear, it just wasn't doing anything. It was dying. This thing pulled good, and it pretty much pulled it amazing up it in 5th gear also. I used to, you know, have to stick it in 4th and have my foot almost all the way to the floor to pretty much pull this thing. We're going back down the hill now. And a lot of you guys know or ask me, how do you know if the exhaust brake is working? If you do have one of these, you can set the vane position. As you guys see here, it's at 100%. So that means the exhaust brake is engaged, completely shut, and slowing the truck down. Now my foot is in it a little bit because we're back on flat ground. So you'll see the percentage go lower now as I'm opening the vanes up. But as soon as I let go of the gas, here you go, you guys will see it. The vanes will shut and it will build boost. My boost is on the left-hand side there. Yes, you're probably wondering, Eddie, what the hell do you mean build boost? Yes, it actually builds boost. So we're at 3%. There's the boost top left. Now I'm coming down this hill. Exhaust brake is at 100%. My foot is completely off of the throttle, and it is at 6 PSI of boost right now. Another thing I gotta mention is this truck is way smoother than that F250. That F250, it was very bouncy. It wasn't a smooth ride. I'm not saying it was a bad ride, it just wasn't as smooth as the Duramax. And again, guys, I'm not doing these videos to prove anybody wrong or to say GMC is the best. I'm curious, you know, I've never towed anything, and at the end of the day, all these trucks will tow what you need. The Ford, the Dodge, the Chevy, the GMC, whatever it is, they will all get the job done and do it for you. It's just which one does it better and what you feel more comfortable in. This thing is, you know, my truck as of right now is solid on the road. That Ford was kind of bouncing a little bit. Now, we have not tried the 2500 Ram that's on 37s that we will get for the next video for you guys. But as of right now, I'm giving it to the GMC compared to that Ford. And I guess we'll have to wait and see until I get back home, make sure, you know, there's no leaks, nothing's overheating or anything like that. Well, there you have it, guys. Let me know what you guys think. I am very happy with the truck. It tows much better with these new gears. Before, like you guys, you know, saw it, it just wasn't really moving with those other gears. Now with these gears, it actually feels like when I first bought the truck, how it was pulling. So thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. I'm curious to hear your thoughts because some of you guys come up with just crazy ideas and crazy thoughts. So let me know. Leave down in the comment section. Thank you guys. Peace.
Yeah.